Howdy! As requested by many, we have made drive cables left and right for other twin cats than our animal, like the Zonda, the Zelos, as well as Miss Geico. So check this out. We start out with really high quality stub shafts. We include drive dogs and bullet prop nuts. We use big heavy duty M5 prop nuts to keep everything on and keep everything solid. We have arguably the highest quality shafts in the business. We have a very low breakage rate. I never just downright break the shafts. They are welded, as you can see, welded and very smooth, very high quality weld, precision ground, very high quality heavy duty cables. That's another thing we pride ourselves in. Now, we include collets too. We include these heavy duty collets. We've actually put a normal size collet up next to it so you can see just how beefy ours are. This regular size one actually burned out on someone. Ours do not burn out on anyone. We believe in the solution here at Oxidean Marine. Now, we do not put the groove in the shaft for the drive dog because people use different props and different setups, so that way you can move it and space it where you would like it. Also, we provide extra length in the cable. Please excuse the cat. We provide extra length in the cable so you can cut it to the exact length that you would like. All these procedures are done simple with the Dremel cutoff wheel. You can have these up and ready to go within minutes. Now, I'm not certain that these will fit into your Teflon liner. There's a very good chance they do, but in the case that they don't, there's no problem in simply removing the liner and using a high quality grease. We do it with plenty of our race boats, go over 100 miles an hour and have zero problems.